Hello, everybody. So what we're going to talk about today is writing some methods and using it in its own separate class. We already got really familiar with, we have our main method, just a very simple hello world, right? And instead of typing out system.out.print hello world, which we know would work, I define this new method, right? It has its one parameter, the string. It's not going to return anything. It's just a void. We do that a lot when we're printing things, and then it takes in that message and prints it out. So everybody knows this, and we can go ahead and if I took that away, that would totally still work, as we can see, right? It would still print because we've defined what the print method means. Now, some of y'all might have already thought, oh, well, I can go ahead and just put this in every single class that I make, every single new program. But that seems like a lot of work. And again, as programmers, we want to be as efficient as possible. So what I actually have is I've made a new class, a fun class, short for function, right? This function class, which will then allow us to reuse it in other places. So the title of the class of the program is fun. It doesn't have a main method, but it does have this same print method, right? I just kind of copied it over here. Now when I go back to hello world, I could call this local version, right? But I'm going to actually even delete that. But now, kind of like system.out.print, I can actually call this static method, this method that doesn't, it's just kind of sitting there. I can call it here, and if I compile it, it compiles, and then if I run it, there you go, right? So I can kind of shorten what I need to write. Obviously, you don't need to do this. You can still use system.out.print, but that's what I'm going to look for you to do on this first project is write this fun class, and you can kind of dump other functions in there and then use them all over the place. So if you're writing useful methods, that's a good way. And actually, you're learning. Oh, I didn't mean to close it. You're actually learning how to write kind of other classes and then use them and interact between different programs, which is kind of nice. Thanks. Have a good day.